There are a few different ways that you can refinish solid wood furniture. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we do it. Me and my husband, we own a furniture business here in Texas where we custom build solid wood furniture. We had a client ordering a table from us, and after a while, she decided to change the color. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all the process that we did and the final result. Follow along. Our client had this table for about a year and a half, I think. And she wants to change the color. She wants something warmer. So we'll be sanding it all down and refinishing. And here is another perk of having solid wood furniture. You can refinish it and it's gonna be brand new again. Okay, I have a tip. I've done a little over a third of the table with the same sandpaper and it's gone. So now, instead of just throwing it away, I'm starting to just remove a thin coat of the polyurethane with it so I can get a new paper. So I'm probably gonna be using 3 sanding papers for this table, 80. Sandpaper 2, almost gone. So I'm gonna go again. All right, here you can see the marks from the 80 grit sanding paper. So now let's come with the 120 and finish this off. I already did this half, 120, but not this. See? Let's see the marks here. Versus this is beautiful. Okay, the table is sanded all down to raw. So we're gonna restart, same with the base. Now I made sure I've cleaned it with mineral spirits really well, let it dry, and then now I'm gonna start restaining it. Almost missed, but halfway through. I'm using the Early American stain. I like my Worcester brush. So I'm just gonna literally spread it all over. It can be messy. Why? Because after that I come with a blue shop towel and then I spread and clean at the same time. Just make sure you get all over. And there we go. I'm gonna keep doing this till I finish staining this big boy here. Okay, I've already started applying the polyurethane. I like to do the first coat with a brush. This is what I use for my first coat, water base from Polyurethane. And the second and third coat, I like to do spraying, but you can keep using this if you don't have a sprayer. It's gonna be a great result. So as long as you use long strikes like this, always in the same direction. And that's it. I'm gonna do this a few coats and we're almost there, guys. Okay, so the first coat is dry and this is what I used. It says it's 3 times faster. It's a triple thick polyurethane and it is pretty thick, but I don't think it's enough for a tabletop, for a dining tabletop. So what I like to do, now I apply 2 coats of this one. It's just like a single normal thickness. This one I'm gonna be spraying on top of my table, but you can also just keep doing with a brush. Just always in the same direction. So now I'm gonna apply my 2 coats of sprayed polyurethane. And the new table is ready. Brand new color, finish. Oh, beautiful.